Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Clockify. I'll walk you through what it actually is, how it works, the pricing plans, and how it compares to other time tracking tools so you can decide if it's the right choice for you. Clockify is a completely free time tracking software designed for teams, businesses, and individuals who want a simple way to track working hours across different projects. Instead of dealing with paper timesheets or outdated methods, Clockify gives you a clean digital system where everything is recorded automatically and organized in one place. If you sign up as a company, you can add unlimited users without paying anything. The platform combines a time tracker and a detailed timesheet, making it easy to monitor attendance, billable hours, and overall productivity. You can see exactly how much time each task or project is taking, which helps you understand whether your pricing and workload are balanced. This insight also helps you judge whether certain projects are truly worth the effort. Clockify's management features let you see what team members are working on at any moment and how their time is being distributed throughout the day. If privacy is a concern, you can even run Clockify on your own servers or private cloud for maximum security. The tool is designed for everyone: large companies, small businesses, freelancers, or individuals working on personal projects. You can easily track your own hours while switching between different tasks and assignments. Clockify is based in San Francisco, and the best part is that it works almost everywhere. You can use it on the web, install it on your computer, or download it onto your phone, whether it's Android or iOS. It runs smoothly on Windows or Mac as well, so compatibility is never an issue. When it comes to pricing, Clockify offers a free plan that already includes integrations, which is impressive for a no-cost option. On top of that, you can upgrade to Basic, Standard, Pro, or Enterprise. Each tier gives you extra features, and the more you pay, the more advanced tools you unlock. There's also a free trial available, so you can test the paid features before deciding. If you choose annual billing, the pricing is set at a lower rate, and if you prefer monthly billing, it's just a small increase of a couple of dollars depending on the plan. Overall, Clockify provides a strong mix of affordability, flexibility, and ease of use. If you need a reliable time tracking solution with room to grow, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I hope this breakdown helped you understand what Clockify has to offer. Have a great day and see you in the next video.